Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So today we are going to learn how to make some chocolate chip vanilla cookies, and if you guys are ready, let's get started. So to make these easy cookies, you need 1 stick of melted butter in this bowl and a 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and you want to go ahead and just mix it up. And we're going to add a 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar and continue mixing. And I'm going to crack in 1 egg and continue mixing again. So over here I'm adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of butter extract, and I'm going to continue mixing, guys. So after mixing everything, you want to go ahead and get ready to add your mixture into a big bowl, like right over here. If you want, you can always use 1 bowl, but I don't know why I use 2 bowls. It doesn't matter. So after adding all your ingredients to the bowl, we are going to go ahead and add 2 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and you want to go ahead and sift it. So after sifting everything in this bowl, we are going to go ahead and continue mixing and making sure that our flour is intact together and it becomes this cookie dough that we're looking for. So our last ingredient that we're adding is a 1/3 cup of chocolate chip, and we are going to go ahead and mix everything until it becomes a beautiful cookie dough that we're looking for, just like this one. Then after that, guys, you want to go ahead and just pan it out into your own cookie shapes, however you want. For mine, I went ahead and patted them down. So after that, you want to go ahead and just bake in 350 Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes. And this is how they look like, guys. They were so yummy and so good. I hope you guys try this recipe, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you for joining me today on She's So Randomly Unique. And if you are watching and you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and show some love on this page. So guys, this is the end. I will see you guys next time on She's So Randomly Unique. Bye.